Here's what happens today when you ask an AI assistant to build something in Python. Claude does its best, but without knowing your environment, it starts guessing. It suggests pip installing packages you may not want, or points you to conda forge without knowing what's already on your machine. You get instructions, not results. And the next time you start a new project, it starts from scratch all over again, completely ignoring the conda environments you've already built. One command changes that. With Anaconda MCP Server, Claude can now see your actual machine. It finds the right tool, creates the environment, and lists exactly what's been installed, ready to use across every project on your laptop. And for the repetitive stuff, like cleaning up environments you've forgotten about, Claude can audit your entire setup in seconds. What used to mean running conda commands one by one in a terminal now takes a single prompt. Anaconda MCP Server, your AI assistant finally knows your environment.